So guys, for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng isang magandang beat. At syempre lalagyan natin yan ng kanta. Pwede nyo rin kami sumabay, pwede rin kayong gumawa. Dahil kagaya namin, hindi po kami magaling. we're not good, but we'll try to make a music, right? Because art is everything. Art is everywhere, Amanda, right? For example, you can just make a sound like okay, so but now, oh, you choose, Mandy. Are you the one who's gonna put a beat?
Yeah, beat.
Okay, so I'm gonna one who's gonna sing.
Okay.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Make a beat. That's not a beat. It's like a percussion. It's not a beat. Really? I mean, how about, so guys, di maganda. Kitang-kita nyo naman wala nangyari. So ngayon, tayo mga nakakatanda siguro ang gagawa ng beat, and the kids will sing from their heart. Okay?
Bro, okay.
I will do. Okay, you sing whatever you want, whatever lyrics. It's a freestyle. And okay, wait. What do you want? Fast, slow, or rap something?
Just slow.
Slow?
Yeah.
Okay. 3. Oh, you count down. 3.
3, 2, 1, go. No, Mama, wait lang. Wait. I will so go. I will so low. Ha. Tupatabi. Papa. The beat doesn't fit.
You have to be, you're the one who should adjust to my beat, okay? Okay? So guys, another na naman po. So kapag may beat, as a good musician, Mandy, it's a musical whatever you call that, musical lesson or whatever you call that. So I'm training my kid here, Mandy Paddy, to be good. First, you listen to the beat, and then once you listen to the beat, you may do your own song out of it. All right? Slow, fast. This is the 3rd try for our Golden Globe records.
Can you make this golden beat?
No. You sing whatever lyrics, not the lyrics of that. For example, like this. I am Amanda and I am neat. I love pretty girls and I love to eat.
Bro, what's that?
Okay, something like that. No, something like that. Oh, you invent. Come on. I will give you 10 seconds. First, you hear the beat, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Si Mandy, ano to? Si Mandy, ano to? Okay, I believe it. Everybody, let's go play a game. Utot na utot. I'm done. I just said utot.
Oh my god, guys. Another video, another nonsense.